sweat and my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up, I feel it in my bones. Nothing to make my system blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age.